This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying the essentials so you don't waste time later. First, make sure your account is verified and custom thumbnails are allowed. This unlocks the feature. Next, upload a correctly sized PNG or JPEG under 2 MB at 1280 x 720. Once done, clear your browser cache and try an incognito window or alternative browser to rule out extension conflicts. If the thumbnail still fails to appear, immediately reupload the image with a new file name to avoid cached CDN copies. Now you'll focus on what happens after upload, processing, and display. Check YouTube Studio for the video's processing state. Thumbnails can lag until processing finishes. Give it 10-30 minutes. Disable browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, because they can hide or block thumbnails. Once you've narrowed that down, test the mobile YouTube app and a different device to see whether the problem is browser-specific. If the thumbnail shows elsewhere, you've isolated the client. Next, reinstall or update the problematic browser. Finish by forcing a fresh thumbnail cycle and checking account health. Rename the image file and reupload. This forces the CDN to fetch a new asset. Make sure the video isn't restricted by age, strikes, or copyright holds. Those can prevent thumbnails from updating. If the image still won't appear after 24-48 hours, submit a support ticket and document steps taken. Key troubleshooting tip. Test uploading the same thumbnail to a different verified channel. If it works there, the issue is channel-specific and needs account support intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.